Kingston City. It is I, take it to them, Terry, and this is our final audition. This is where you either go hard or you go hard. So Kingston, where would I say? Oh, I gotta take it to them? Take it to them. Let's go.
People want it all, but I don't want nothing at all.
Make a melody. You can be strong. I look to you.
So there's one song that has been popping up at all the auditions. I attempted it, but that's all it was, an attempt. So I want to pick up the song that I believe is the anthem for Digicel Rising Stars.
Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move.
And everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home. You're like a dream come true. But if by chance you're here alone, can I have a moment?
Why they sing these songs?
I don't know, and everybody sing the same one. This we need to ban this song.
You look like a movie. You still sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light in case it is the...
Moya, that song, probably not even your fault, but we're tired of hearing that song, to be honest. And that was not the best rendition of that song either.
It kind of draws attention to your lisp, which becomes kind of jarring.
That's fine. Like if different people
I know
have
it's not
different-
perfect,
yeah,
but
yeah, sorry, Maya.
You can tell by the way I use my walk. I'm a woman's man. No time to talk. Music loud, with me warm, thinking correct. Since I was born, never tolerate. I don't hate, and you may look.
All right, so there has been this man. He was in the line. He's been here for hours. Has an audition. Has a wooden flute, and literally has been singing or playing the same notes since this morning. And when I say since this morning, since this morning. How you doing?
I think I'm fine, daughter.
You all right?
Yes, daughter.
I've heard you playing this flute. Is it called a flute? It's a flute, and you've been playing boop 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 boop.
Yes.
Boop 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 boop.
Yes.
Is there more to the song, or?
Yes, this song. This song and some of the lyrics, the lyrics and the backup of the music.
Okay, so do you sing? What's your name?
Leroy Manley.
Leroy. Well, you haven't.
Manley.
Leroy
Manley.
Manley.
Yes.
Okay, you haven't auditioned for the judges. You've just been kind of sitting down here playing.
Well, I go and get an audition and...
Didn't work out?
Well, he never said me said don't work out, he said a little more, so I don't know what he mean by it.
Oh, they told you a little more. Did you sing? Did you sing?
Yes.
What did you sing?
I sing Happy birthday to you, Kingston, 144 years. But name it, capital of Jamaica, and we love.
So can you play the
Yes.
pipe flute?
Yes.
Right, go ahead. And I think that's the beat to Happy Birthday to Kingston, 144 years. It's the capital of Jamaica. Leroy. Thank you so very much. The judges are seated and they are ready. Who will face them first? Let's find out.
One, adore you and want you so. I'm just a no one with nothing to give you but oh, I love you.
I didn't like that so much. That song was more drama, and your vocals really weren't up there to match it. I didn't like that.
What
You
did
know,
you think?
my issue is that it's not that he cannot sing, he can sing, but if we are judging based on the people who we have selected already, there's already a standard, and for that standard, I don't think you're going to make this season.
When all friends talk about you, all it does is just tear me down.
Thanks.
My heart breaks a
Thanks.
little
Wo-
when I
thanks.
hear your name.
We're really, really, really tired of hearing that song, and you really don't bring anything to it, frankly. So we'll pass on it.
Okay, let me give you something else.
I had enough, actually. Thank you.
had enough?
Yes, thanks.
I ain't done with you. Why are you gonna say?
Thank you. Thank you.
But I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I've heard it scream out your name. Your name.
Best audition for the morning.
Yeah, you're little and cute. And you
Little
sound
and
nice,
cute.
so you're on key. I like you.
Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special loving, tell me I'm beautiful each and every night.
Thank you. That was good. Full of energy from you came on. I know you wanted to do well, and you did well. So good job.
Blingers, this is Blingers.
Your name is Blingers? Hey, come for your ticket, Blingers. Thank you.
Digicel Rising Stars Season 14, lots of 16-year-olds and 17-year-olds, youngsters, fresh, new faces, new voices, and she was bawling her eyes out after she got a ticket from the main judges. Hi, Mishima.
Hi, Terry.
How are you?
I'm good.
First time entering?
First time.
How did it feel?
A little nerve-wracking staring at Anthony, but after Ellen called me for the paper, it was like pipes burst in my eyes. I had to cry.
No, I saw when you passed, but tell me how you prepared to come here your first time. Of course, you mentioned nerves, coming before the main judges. How did you prepare for all of that?
I really wasn't prepared. I just love singing from ever since high school. I was walking up and down singing, home,
All the time?
all the time singing. So coming here, I was literally a little bit forced to come here.
Who forced you?
My friend.
Oh.
He's there behind me. PP clock. We're going. And this morning the rain
Good
started
support.
falling, and I was like, I can't bother go. And then
He
we're
said,
here.
let's go.
Yes, and we're here.
Awesome.
Just 'cause I love you and you love me, it doesn't mean that we're meant to be. I can climb mountains, sing for the queen, but the most frightening thing is you and me. Yay!
Yay!
Nice girl.
Danica,
Very nice. Really nice.
tone, presence, image,
Very
everything.
nice. Very
Okay.
nice.
Put your pinky rings up to the moon. Yeah, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Hit. Now look out.
King Okido. You realize that that was not your best performance, right?
Next year, King.
Thank you.
Hi, Jerome.
Hi.
Jerome Riley, right?
Yes,
You tried out last year,
yes, I did.
2 locations. Talk to me about it.
Well, I guess it was just more the feeling. I sang well, but I didn't get the right feeling into it. So I chose songs now that really spoke to me.
Okay, good, because that was going to be my question. What did you change in a year to basically come and wow the judges like you did earlier?
I just sang with more soul. Right? This time I sang This Time by John Legend, and it really speaks to me. So I could get the feeling out.
Lovely. Did you do a cappella or did you do karaoke?
I did it karaoke.
Fantastic. Any advice for persons who might have been in your position? They've come, they've tried out, they've heard no. Any advice for them?
Yes, just do it again. Don't stop trying. Just put a little more soul into it. Feel what you're singing.
Choose the right songs.
Choose the right songs.
And perform.
Ran into you yesterday. Memories rush through my brain. It's starting to hit me. Now you're not with me. I realize I made a mistake. I thought that I needed some space.
Yes, sir.
But I just let love go to waste. It's so crystal clear now. I need you here now. I need you right back today. This time I want it all.
Yes.
This time I want it all. Showing you all the cards. I'm giving you all my heart. This time.
Yes! That is all.
This
Yeah,
time
you're
is
true.
your
This time is your time.
This
Welcome
time is
back.
your time.
Yes.
When we get back, Anthony unleashes, Elaine laughs, and we find some street stars. This is the final audition of Digicel Rising Stars Season 14. We'll be right back.